Hey guys, what's up? My name is Britt and this is the Banana Diaries. Today we are going to be making one of my favorites. It is sweet potato casserole. Because Thanksgiving is right around the corner and we need to get those recipes pumping. So, the sweet potato casserole, I have two options actually. We're going to be doing a paleo sweet potato casserole and a vegan sweet potato casserole. Both are vegan actually, so the paleo one is also vegan. But the sweet potato casserole that's just vegan, I need to put on some marshmallows. Just honestly, like that's how my mom made it, so that's what I'm used to. But it's a super simple recipe. All you're gonna need are a few ingredients. Your sweet potatoes right here. And then we have some coconut milk and pecans, which are gonna go on both. Maple syrup, and then we're gonna add in some cinnamon, sea salt, and a little bit of arrowroot powder as well, because that'll help just bind everything together. So, without further ado, let's get cooking. First, you're gonna begin by just mashing those sweet potatoes. So I know this is kind of like, this is really a hand mixer paddle or whatever, but you know what? I just cannot find my potato masher for the life of me, so this is what we're working with today. It works just as well. Now you could also do this in a food processor, but I kind of like to do it like this because I feel like in the food processor it's almost too perfect. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, I don't like things to be like exactly perfect. So we have, what is this? I believe it's actually 4 extra large sweet potatoes in here. It works out to be about 6 cups of sweet potatoes, but this is just for making 2 sweet potato casseroles. So if you just want to make 1 sweet potato casserole, check that recipe down below. I'm going to give you all the info for what you need to do. What I actually like to do, and this is just like a little bit of a health hack, is I make the sweet potatoes the day before and then I roast them in the oven. Oh, that's the other key, is that you don't need to steam the sweet potatoes. Actually, baking them in the oven is the way to go because then all the sugars just caramelize and it's absolutely delicious. Whereas steaming, I feel like, just makes everything a little bit bland. I don't know, do you like to eat steamed vegetables? I don't like to eat steamed vegetables, so yeah, that's where we're at. So really just go until there are no more massive chunks. Like you can still have it be a little bit stringy, but you want those chunks to be kind of done. Alright. Now, once our mashed sweet potato is ready to go, we're just going to add in some light coconut milk. If you do light, it's not about saving calories, but it's just about flavor because some people don't like the coconut taste and I'm well aware of that, so no problemo. And then I actually mix the vanilla extract in with the maple syrup, but we're just going to pour that on just a little bit because I really like the natural sugars from the sweet potato, and since we're roasting it, you really don't need all that much sugar. Next we have arrowroot powder. So this acts like cornstarch. Essentially, it's just going to give it a little bit more binding like you would see in a regular sweet potato casserole, but it is egg-free and vegan, and corn-free too. Alright, now we're going to add in some cinnamon. A lot of cinnamon. So good. And then a little bit of sea salt, because we can't have all sweet. Sweet and salty is the way to go. Speaking of which, my favorite sweet and salty combo is pretzels and chocolate. I don't know why, but that combo just gets every single one. Way to my heart is pretzels and chocolate. Alright, now we're just going to mix it all together. So this takes like literally 5 seconds. Alright, now that we're done mixing, we're just going to pop this into our container right here. Ah! And there it is. I love it. We're going to do half of this sweet potato batter into here, and we'll do with marshmallows first. That one's the easy one, and then we'll get on to the other one. I freaking love sweet potato casserole. That tastes so good. Now that we have our sweet potato casserole like that, we're going to top the pecans and little mini marshmallows. Full of pecans, just going to sprinkle these on top. There you go. So the vegan marshmallows that I like to use are Dandies. I find them to be the best tasting and they're the most natural. But you can use, if you have your own vegan marshmallow recipe that you want to make, totally go for it. You're more than welcome to do that. There are also a few other brands. I believe there's like Smashmallow or something like that. And this isn't sponsored at all. This is just brands that I like to use. Just gonna sprinkle that on right there because, oh, marshmallows flying everywhere. I want to taste one. Yeah, it tastes like a marshmallow. It's so cool. This baby's ready to go into the oven, so I'm gonna pop that in there, and then we'll get to making the paleo version as well. So our regular vegan sweet potato casserole is in the oven right now. So I'm just gonna prepare the paleo vegan version. So I've already took the liberty and put the sweet potato in here. So it's a little thinner casserole. But now we're gonna make the streusel to go on top. So what I have is cassava flour, melted coconut oil, some maple syrup. Then we're gonna do more cinnamon and sea salt. Alright, so now we're just gonna give this all a little mixing. Our streusel is done, so now we're just gonna sprinkle on the pecans here. Go right there. Alright, and now we just spoon the crumble on top. And then you can crumble it with your fingers afterwards too. Alright, so we now have two wonderful sweet potato casseroles. We have both are completely vegan, but one is paleo and the other one is just regular vegan gluten-free. Mix and match whatever you want, whatever your family wants. They both taste delicious. I highly recommend the streusel, but I'm just, partial to the marshmallows because I love marshmallows and that's what I grew up on. So that's my traditional sweet potato casserole. Buster looks like he wants some too. So I hope you love this recipe. If you're making this for Thanksgiving, go check the link down below, thebananadiaries.com. Full recipe and details for both of these two casseroles are on the blog. Thanks for sticking around and watching me cook this favorite Thanksgiving side dish. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Shout out on mine. Bye. That's so good. Wow.